Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Bobbi and welcome to my Vlogmas. I normally do beauty things. I actually love a bargain. I don't know about you guys, but I love a good bargain, okay? And if I can't get a bargain, then I don't want it. I'm that kind of girl. Basically, I just wanted to narrate my day for you guys, because basically this is gonna be like a quick rundown of a video. Basically I went to work today, but I had to be back at work at 8:45 for a meeting that was mandatory, so it's not like I could be like, let me see your notes later, Susan. So which I wish it wasn't, because I love to sleep. You guys don't even know. I love a good sleep in. I actually hate getting up early, to tell the truth, but you know, that's neither here nor there. And then after I was at work today until 4. I had some sort of allergy attack or something got in my eye, which is why I'm wearing my spectacles right now. Okay, because my contacts started just messing up, and on this eye specifically. This eye was fine, but my nostrils started messing up too, so I'm like, maybe something got into my eye that I had an allergic reaction to, because my eye was just pouring tears down my eye. No good. So I left work and I came I didn't come straight home. I stopped at Walmart. I bought one of their little take and bake pizzas. We needed some toilet paper, so I bought that.
Hey, that's my rug! Just because you're bored doesn't mean you tear things up. No.
See what I'm dealing with? Anyways, so now that I've gotten Skylar calmed down a little bit, so basically I came back home. My brother hit me up and he was like, hey, I want to come visit. And I was like, cool, come visit. So he came to visit, and I always have a great time when my brother comes over. He just puts a smile on my face. And my brother is actually 14 years younger than I am. So you guys are going to see some clips of me and him just being goofy, okay? Like brothers and sisters. Guess who came to visit me today, guys? My brother.
What up, y'all?
He didn't have the
Spence. Spence in the house.
Spence. Oh, or as I like to call him, Spency. But, you know, it's only because I used to wipe his bum.
Wow.
Okay.
Wow. You didn't have to put that out
I
there.
did. I had to put it out there. You want some pizza? Are you hungry?
Whatever. Pizza.
Why are you doing that? Oh my gosh.
Because I got a lot of hair and I don't know what to do with it. I don't want to cut it though.
Well, you cut the light out. Electric ain't free.
Oh my Jesus.
It's not free.
I don't know where the light is.
It's right here where it's illuminated.
Oh.
Bruh.
What is that white stuff?
It's mozzarella.
Oh, okay. That works.
You goofball. Guys, look. Okay, so I'm so obsessed with coffee. I seen a Dunkin' cereal, and I was like, I love Dunkin', and I love caramel macchiatos. There's no way that this cereal's not good.
Is it cereal?
So, yes, a cereal.
Ain't no way.
He's probably gonna try to eat.
I'm gonna try it later. I'll let you guys know tomorrow.
I'll let you know too.
Oh, okay. He'll let you know too. But
It's her channel. I'm just living in it.
get it away from me. Okay, so I'll probably let you guys know, not tomorrow, but day after tomorrow, if it's good or not. Let's see, what else did I get from the store? I got some more frosted mini wheats because we smashed that other box out quick.
Smashed it out quick.
Smashed it out quick. Okay, and I also got these. They're white chocolate macadamia nut cookies, and when I used to work at Walmart, I used to buy a package of these, one every single day, and eat it.
That's not healthy, kids.
It's not healthy, kids. Yeah, that's why you're choking. Because you ate enough cookies in your life.
No, it was granola. Granola's healthy.
Yeah, but it's almost gone.
That granola's not that healthy, okay, guys?
She don't know what she's talking about.
Gonna be
Yes, it is.
Don't whisper at my followers.
This video is gonna be better because of Spencer. More entertaining jokes for him to tell, and then you start laughing at it, and then you give a reasonable answer, and then you guys both start laughing.
Hey!
They just said that my vlogs are shit, basically.
My youngin' right here knows what's up.
And then my sister came over. What are we doing?
Hey.
You just want to be on the camera, Whitney. It's okay. Just come be on the camera. Or the dude's commissary.
What's that?
A commissary is like a little store that you can buy stuff inside of jail.
My shoulder's killing me. So we can come in and meet with you and see if there's anything.
But if you don't have no money and you're poor and you go to jail, you don't get commissary. Because you don't have people to put the money on your books for you.
And you go.
And that's Aaliyah's job.
You gotta fight for Snickers bars.
Don't fight for the Snickers bar.
Maybe you gotta fight for ramen noodles so you can make ramen noodle nails. You know that shit came from the jail. You know it did.
That stuff that Kylie Jenner's trying to peddle and stuff, she is making a jailhouse spread. And everybody was like, oh, she's so smart. She put butter in it. And some noodle and some crackers or something like that. That's a jailhouse spread she's making. Okay, guys? She learned that from that fool tiger who probably knows exactly where it came from.
Just didn't tell her.
Honestly, didn't tell her nothing. She run around thinking he's innovative.
Hey, prisoners are the most innovative people.
Honestly.
They have to be.
If there is a will, there is a way. In jail. His name is Abner.
I feel like I heard.
That's the pig's name, right? In Charlotte's Web?
No.
What pig's name is that?
His name is Charlotte.
No, that's the name of the
That's
spider.
spiders!
It's Wilbur.
Wilbur!
Oh, I thought Charlotte was the pig.
Now we know it's uncle even more retarded.
That's how you know you didn't have parents. Because you thought.
Why?
You just mustache. You just mustache. In my chair, you just gonna sit there and mustache like that was so loud. It sounded like it vibrated over by Skylar.
Earthquake 2020.
Oh
Are they fracking again or did Spencer rip ass?
no! Oh! Winnie, why did you move out of? Why'd you? Oh, you're in the shot a little bit.
Bobbi! I thought you turned that off.
Oh no, I turned it on.
Know about the bucket
You guys,
How you working in rice
What
fields? How
is
you're a
this?
farmer?
what is that? I done zoomed all the way in on you. What is that? What is that? Zoom out. Stop. What is that?
This is called swag, Bobby.
gardening tools for Christmas. Okay, so basically I went to work today, had a little bit of family time. Also, I walked Saint today in the woods. I have plenty of videos that feature Saint and me walking Saint, stuff like that, from Vlogmas. So if you've missed out on my Vlogmases or any of them, you can go ahead and binge watch them right here. Don't forget to finish this video first though. Okay, so open it up in a new tab and then finish watching this video. Okay, but thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate so much everybody who supports me. Like, I appreciate everybody so much, and I really appreciate my family in its entirety, that like my sister and my wife and my kid, like they're all just so supportive, and they're all so understanding whenever I'm like, I gotta go edit, I need to catch up on Instagram, I need to this, that, the other. And I want to take this second to just say, like, I really appreciate you guys. Except St. Nicholas. Come here. He's so spoiled. You can tell. You can tell he's spoiled. He's not getting attention, so he's acting up. Plus mommy's been gone all day. So I am going to get off of here, edit this really quickly, and then edit this really quickly. Can I edit really quickly? I'm gonna edit this really quickly and then go ahead and spend some time with my boy and my other boy. Okay, so I hope you guys have a great night. Do you hope they have a great night? Do you? He said he doesn't care about y'all's night. Okay, so I hope you guys have a great night. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.